So what exactly is stolen device protection? And what does it do on your iPhone? Well, stolen device protection is an iOS security feature designed to safeguard your Apple account, passwords, and sensitive financial data in case your iPhone gets stolen and the thief somehow learns your passcode. To turn it on, go to Settings, scroll down to Face ID and Passcode, Authenticate, and towards the bottom of this menu, you'll find Stolen Device Protection. This is where you can turn it on or off. So here's the problem this actually solves. In the past, if a thief was peeking over your shoulder to memorize your passcode and then stole your phone, they'd have complete control over your digital life, just with that passcode. They could reset your Apple account password and lock you out of your own account. They could view your saved passwords in iCloud Keychain and gain access to all the websites and apps that you've saved your passwords for. They could erase and resell the phone, or potentially access your banking apps and Apple Pay. So we're talking about pretty catastrophic stuff, right? Stolen device protection neutralizes that threat by requiring mandatory biometrics, meaning Face ID or Touch ID, with no passcode fallback for critical security actions. So when this is enabled and I'm away from a familiar location, like home or work, my phone can't be used to access those critical features without Face ID or Touch ID. Even if you knew my passcode, you couldn't access my stored passwords or credit cards, or you couldn't erase the phone. The passcode simply wouldn't work for that. It would require Face ID. For extreme security changes, like changing your Apple ID password, adding or removing Face ID, or turning off Find My, iOS enforces a 1-hour security delay. You have to authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID to start that delay, and then, 1 hour later, authenticate again with Face ID or Touch ID for a second time to actually complete the change. Now, this delay is normally bypassed when you're at an established, familiar location, like home or work. But you can also set it to always apply, regardless of location, if you want maximum security, and that will require that double verification, 1 hour apart, every time, regardless of the location of the phone. So that's stolen device protection in a nutshell. It makes sure that even if someone knows your passcode, they still can't make critical changes to your phone or account if it's ever stolen. Hope that clarifies it. Click that like button if this was helpful, and subscribe for more guides like this one. Thanks all.